another pot meal. It is Palak Khichdi. Me, Mukta Nagaraj, welcome you to SBL Kitchen. Authentic Indian dish, Khichdi. But there is a variation here. I am adding few vegetables and greens. Here, since I am making it a one pot recipe, I am using the tadka in the beginning itself. So I am adding in some oil. Adding in some jeera, whole peppercorns, few green chilies, some ginger garlic paste, adding in some onions, some tomatoes, here I am using some chopped spinach. You can even use baby spinach as a leaf full. Now I am adding in water. Now the water started boiling. I'll add in the salt. Split moong dal. Then the rice, I have washed it before. Now this is boiling. I would close in the lid and pressure cook for at least 6 whistles. Now the 6 whistles are done. I'll switch it off and allow it to cool. Now the cooker is cool enough. Khichdi is cooked well. With this, I'm going to add in some butter. If you have clarified butter, that is ghee, that's well and good. Otherwise, butter will do the purpose too. With this khichdi, I relish with some spicy pickle or chili pickle.